Welcome back to AZ Home Decor, where we are embarking on a truly exciting journey together. For a long time on this channel, we have focused on the pure beauty of less. But lately, I have realized that less can sometimes feel a little bit cold and uninviting. If you have ever looked at your clean, organized room and felt like it was missing its soul or a sense of history, please know that you are definitely not alone in that feeling. Today, we are officially starting a new chapter that moves beyond the basics into what I call fresh minimalism. This is an upgraded, more grown-up version of the style we love, taking that clean foundation and infusing it with refined European character. Many designers call this quiet luxury, and it is all about moving away from flat, one-dimensional spaces toward rooms that feel stunning and full of life. Before we dive into these transformative tips, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to AZ Decor so you never miss our new design era. I would also love for you to comment below and let me know if your current space feels a little too clinical lately. The first step in fixing a cold home is reevaluating the very walls that surround you and moving away from gallery white. While a crisp white wall was the hallmark of early minimalism, it can often make a beautiful home feel more like a sterile hospital than a sanctuary. To achieve that coveted Celine-inspired look, we need to transition toward what I call living neutrals, which possess depth and movement. Instead of a flat, cool white, consider incorporating sophisticated tones like warm bone, mushroom, and sandy taupe. These colors act as a soft backdrop that absorbs light beautifully rather than bouncing it harshly around the room. When choosing your next palette, look specifically for paints with a subtle touch of yellow or gray undertone to provide a hidden warmth. These complex pigments make the walls feel like they are giving the room a soft hug, providing a sense of enclosure and comfort. By shifting your color story just a few degrees toward these organic hues, you instantly create a sophisticated foundation that feels both expensive and incredibly welcoming. In the world of quiet luxury, we no longer rely on bright colors to create visual interest because texture has become our new color. When a minimalist room feels cold, it is usually because there are too many smooth, reflective surfaces that lack a sensory connection. To fix this, we must replace those flat finishes with touchable materials like honed stone, raw reclaimed wood, and heavy, breathable linens. Imagine the difference between a glass coffee table and one carved from solid, matte travertine that begs to be touched. If you find that a corner of your home feels empty or awkward, resist the urge to buy a small piece of plastic decoration. Instead, try adding a textured lime wash finish to that single wall or laying down a high-pile wool rug to anchor the space. These elements add what designers call visual weight, which fills the room with a sense of presence without adding any unnecessary clutter. This tactile approach ensures that your home feels stunningly high-end while remaining a cozy place where you actually want to spend your time. The final pillar of adding European character to your home involves a shift in how you decorate with objects and art. This is the moment where we move away from store-bought sets and toward the found object that tells a story. European homes always feel so stunning because they look as though they have been carefully curated over many years, rather than purchased in a single weekend. Instead of buying a set of 5 matching vases from a big box store, try searching for one oversized, slightly imperfect ceramic piece that has a handcrafted soul. A vintage marble tray or a heavy stone bowl can serve as a powerful focal point that grounds an entire room with its unique history. Always remember that one hero object with a distinct personality is much better than 5 tiny items that mean nothing to you. This technique of intentional curation allows your home to breathe while still feeling deeply personal and sophisticated. By choosing fewer things, but of much higher quality, you naturally create an atmosphere of quiet, understated luxury that never goes out of style. As we wrap up today's look at Fresh Minimalism, I want to thank you for joining me in this new direction for AZ Decor. This is the sophisticated path we are heading in together, staying true to our minimalist roots while becoming much more intentional with every detail. We are searching for that quiet luxury that truly transforms a simple house into a peaceful, high-end sanctuary. I am so incredibly excited to take you on this journey as we continue to upgrade our living spaces with character and grace. If you found these tips helpful for your own home, please remember to hit that like button and share this video with a fellow decor lover. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can follow along with every step of this style evolution. Please leave a comment letting me know which of these 3 fixes you are going to try first in your own living room or bedroom. Thank you so much for watching AZ Decor, and I will see you in the next video as we create a more beautiful life together.